Security Advisor Kuldiep Singh Luchingdana Manipur House Oriba Security ki matang the review meeting among us Imphal ki All Secretariat Labor Conference Hall da pangthokrai. Review meeting adu chaurakna nungthil pung 3:30 taba duaidagi hauduna numidang wairam pung manga khara henba fauba pangthokhi. Meeting adu da Police, Army, Assam Rifles, BSF, CRPF amadi SSB ki makok thongba official singna saruk yaki hairi. Mifam adu loiraba matung da paumi singa unabada Kuldiep Singh na fongdorakpagi matung inna Manipur housing oriba fiba masigi matang da pamdaba thodok sing makhata na thokhandanabagi pandamda irang thokpa yaba mafamsingda security ki arrangement mapung fana taunaba meeting asi pangthokpani. Security arrangement tawbada hena coordination lainanaba SOP amasu semle haina fongdorakhi. Hausi faubada Manipur ki irang lakshin bada mateng pangnaba Central Security Force ki apunba company chaniga marifu nipan Manipur da leire haina fongdorpaga loinana Hausi faubada lakhiba khusukulai punna lising ahum su recover tawba ngamle hairi. Jeribam ki mioi taruk faraga hatkibagi thawdo adugi matangda paumi singna hangbada security force singna akanba mawngda operation chathari hausi faubagi oina chenaba sing faba leitri haina fongdorakhi. Loinana tampaki MLA singi mayumda thomjinduna yum mai thaba amasung potchai manghan takhan kibagi thawdokta chenabani haiba mioi kuntrani thoidi fagale haina su fongdorakhi.
To provide all kinds of protection and security to the citizens, we will be making foolproof arrangements. We will be making district coordination cell and joint control room in each district, as well as whatever joint control room and coordination apparatus is already functioning in the state, we have reviewed that also. Number of SOPs have been prepared for deployment of forces, for coordination, for functioning, for fringe area security, for national highway security, and for any other important point which is to be taken care of.